And just like that, today, guys, today is gonna be the first drive, the first test drive of the Calypso clone with the Terminator X and the new fuel system. This is a test run. The car is not completely tuned. All we have is a base tune from Leach Motorsports. So huge shout out to Leach Motorsports, guys. He is the guy. He's working with me to help get this car right and to tune it. Anyway, with all that being said, the car is not tuned. It's got a base tune in it right now from Matt, but we're gonna go ahead, get in the car, take it down the road. This is probably gonna be a fairly short video. There's not a lot going on. We're gonna data log it. We're gonna come back and I'll give you my thoughts on the car, how I think it drives, runs, things like that. All right, catch you in the car. I'm pretty sure that we have a fouled out spark plug, or a plug that's at least trying to foul out. Thing has a misfire to it every once in a while, and then it'll kind of go away. I'm sure it's from the car sitting up and us starting it up and turning it off and everything else. Yeah, I can still hear it. Second gear pops good in this car. Third gear, not so much. You know, this car is always driven really good, by the way. The tires are like out of alignment. Car definitely has a misfire for sure. I can hear it. No problem, it's just a spark plug. Guys, third gear just worked in the car. I wasn't like under a heavy load or anything, but third gear just worked. Who knows? I'm just working through some loads right now to show Matt. Feels like fall here in the south right now. It's like 85 degrees. It's freaking sweet. All right, so let's stop for a second and check everything. Temperature looks good, 185. Battery voltage is good. AFR seemed to be good. We're in closed loop and learning. Car just is skipping. It's got a misfire for sure. That it may be the coupler going to the throttle body. Vacuum may be sucking it down. So let me put you guys outside, go for a different view. driving anyway. So I'm gonna stop by the store, I'm gonna throw some more gas in this thing. We'll try it one more time, and then we'll see what happens, guys. We'll go home and talk about it. But right now, there's not much we can do. Guys, car's running good, but obviously we have a bad misfire, so we're gonna have to address that, get that cleared up. But to be honest with you, it was a fuel problem. So the car just did not have enough fuel in it, and it was causing aeration. So note to self, this car does not need to go below 1/4 of a tank. Anyway, with all that being said, let's get to the house and then we'll talk about it. Oh yeah, I completely forgot to do a video once we got back with the car after driving it and kind of explain some things to you. You saw it. Car wasn't running very good, right? I actually have new spark plugs. We're gonna put a new starter on this thing too, because it is shot. I mean, bad. So as you can see, we're running TR6s. I know a lot of you guys have said don't run those. I've had great luck with them. So, and in here is our new starter. So this is the SVE mini high torque starter, as you can see right here. So we're gonna be putting this thing on, and I'll probably shoot a little bit of video of that and let you guys know what I think about it. So let's get back to this. One thing I want to make perfectly clear, right? Because I have to be careful of this. The way the car runs has nothing to do with the tune. We've had a plug issue for a while, and they just need to be changed. And it's from all this starting up the car, you know, trying to get it tuned. You're gonna be fat, you know, in the beginning and things like that. So I think we fouled out a couple plugs. Either way, I'm gonna put the plugs in it. We'll find out if that was an issue or not. But the car itself, like the tune, seems to be pretty spot on. Something else I wanna mention in the video is I know you're gonna see some lean spikes. Guys, we weren't in boost, and if we were in boost, we were like only in a pound or two of boost for the most part. This car is somewhere around about 11.5, 11.7 to 1 at like 5 pounds of boost. Very safe for 5 pounds. Plus, guys, you gotta remember, this thing is set up for power. It's coming along quite nicely, if I do say so myself. Hopefully before too long, we'll have this C4 out of here, and we'll go ahead and go to our TKX. These new plugs, this new starter, like these are things that need to be done. Finish tidying up the wiring, and we're gonna turn this thing loose, and we're gonna go out, cut up, and have a good time. Guys, it's just time. I mean, if this thing blows, it blows. If it goes, it goes. Like, we can't keep babying this thing. At some point, we're gonna have to turn this damn thing loose and let it go. So, that's what we're gonna do coming up here real soon. We're gonna start out with 5 pounds of boost. We're gonna start cranking it up, see what we can do. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, thanks for watching.